Hi everyone, I'm Smileypeacefun. This is a Get Ready With Me Halloween video where you can see how I created this Dead Chess King look. During the summer 2018, I was in San Diego/Los Angeles and I discovered that checkerboard print seems to be a current trend. I love this kind of print anyways. And since a lot of my other Halloween looks were often bloody, I wanted to challenge myself to not using any red color or fake blood. And here is a list of everything I ended up using for my look. So I hope you will have fun watching this Get Ready With Me video.